Hi all, welcome to the video. In this video, we will look at another application of vapply. We will look at how to do a frequency profiling or frequency summarization of various categorical attributes in a data frame. To start with, we will look at the medical expense dataset, which is available from the EasyDat package. If it is not already there on the system, you can basically use a require along with install dot packages to basically install that. I will again load it since it is already available on my system, so it's not a problem. Then we'll just look at the first few records. So essentially we can see that you know sex is one column which looks categorical in nature, child is one column which looks categorical, and then black is another column which looks categorical in the sense that it has got character values within it. So we'll just store it as a vector within an nm variable. Now how do we do frequency profiling? So we will develop the logic by first working with a single variable. So I will just initialize x as sex, and then what I will do, I will have the data frame. I will select x, which is the variable. If I do this, okay, I need to load dplyr also. Okay, since it is a new session. Okay, now I want to group it with this particular attribute, but I cannot just pass this vector. I need to pass it within the data frame. Okay, now I want to summarize total underscore count will be equal to this. Now let's look at what, and then we would also like to, so first we want to ungroup, and then we want to add the name of the variable, the feature name, which is x. So if I do this, I will get the summary, and then let's say if I store it at df underscore interim. So currently you see the first column is basically appearing as a not very informative kind of name. So what we'll do, we'll reassign the column names. Just a second. So we'll reassign all its column names to a new vector. So the first column is nothing but levels. The second column is the total count. I think I can directly copy it from here. Oh no, I need to write it. Total count. And the third column is the feature name. If I do it, see now this is proper. So we have developed a logic for a single attribute. Now we can extend it. List is our x. Function is nothing but we'll put this, and then let me assign it to L1. Let me return. Okay, let's run it now. Okay, if I go to L1, it basically has summaries for all these three variables, and if I do a do dot call and I want to basically do an R bind for L1, what will I get? Oh, not. Oh, so basically instead of x we want to do nm, and then repeat this whole thing. Okay. Okay, so you see, now we'll just relabel the final data set as final.df. I think we need to reorganize the column a little, so let's do that. So first should be the feature name, then should be the levels, and then should be the total count. Okay, so if I run this, so you see your final data set is basically frequency profiling of the variables, or more specifically the categorical variables that you have shortlisted. So you can basically have all the categorical variables in your nm or nm vector, and then use this procedure or method to basically frequency profile them. Um, in the other videos, we'll then look at how to identify the data type of all the variables in a data frame, and then do certain changes, in the sense that if we want to change a numeric to a categorical or categorical to a numeric, we can do that.